Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
The next important scientist is
And then we have Guatame is a scientist, is the one who has given machine concept. Then we have Boyle's machine. Boyle's machine is the first anesthesia machine, and it is given by Edmund Gaskin Boyle. Edmund Gaskell Boyle is the one who has given the Boyle's machine. Then we have John Lundy. John Lundy has introduced balanced anesthesia, that is, he has introduced thiopentane and balanced anesthesia. Then we have next Griffith. Horald Griffith has given the first neuromuscular blockade. First neuromuscular blockade is given by Horald Griffith, and the blockade is by D-tuberculin is the drug utilized in this first neuromuscular blockade. Then Stephen has given ketamine. Okay, so first we will see again the scientists, just revise.
Horrell Wells, anesthetic property of nitrous oxide. Joseph Priestley, nitrous oxide and oxygen. 16th October was called as World Anesthesia Day, and W.T.G. Morton demonstrated first ether has anesthesia, and he is the father of anesthesia. 1847 chloroform was discovered by J.J. Simpson. Dr. Snow is the first practicing anesthetist. 1878 first elective nasal intubation. Blind oral intubation is by Maceven. First blind nasal intubation is by Ivan Magel. Goodell introduced cuff in endotracheal tube. 1913 laryngoscope was discovered by Jackson, and it is modified by Magel, Miller and Mackintosh. 1914 Gathme has given the concept of machine concept. 1917 Boyle's machine, first anesthesia machine by Edmund Gaskin Boyle. 1934 John Lundy introduced thiopentone as the balanced anesthesia. 1943 Harold Griffith is given the first neuromuscular blockade by D-tuberculin. 1965 Stephen given the concept of ketamine.
When is the first local anesthesia introduced? The first local anesthesia was introduced by Dr. Kush Kohler. Okay, first peripheral brachial plexus block is given with cocaine by William Halsted. Then August Baer has given the first spinal anesthesia, and is also called as father of regional anesthesia. Then who has given the stages of anesthesia? Stages of anesthesia are given by Arthur Ernst Goodell. Okay, so we will see them again. So first local anesthesia by Dr. Kash Kohler. First peripheral brachial plexus block with cocaine is given by William Halsted. Then August Bayer has given the first spinal anesthesia, and thus he is called father of regional anesthesia. Stages of anesthesia are given by Arthur Ernst Goodell. Arthur Ernst Goodell has given the stages of anesthesia.
thank you and thank you for watching.